Hello, this is Naaman from Nasdaq Dubai. Today I'm excited to talk about the Dyness Stack 100, a high voltage energy storage solution designed for large scale solar applications. What makes Stack 100 different? The installation of Stack 100 is simple and modular. It starts with a base unit, followed by stacking the battery module on top, and finally placing the controller box on top to control and to optimize the system, and the installation time will just take for one cluster 30 minutes. The system is highly flexible. You can start from 3 pieces minimum battery modules. This is mean from 15 kilowatt hour up to 15 pieces battery module in one cluster. This is you will have 76 kilowatt hour, and you can expand the system and install 12 cluster in parallel to give you total capacity 920 kilowatt hour. The key advantage of the Stack 100, it has the wide compatible list with leading hybrid inverter brands like Daya and Solis inverter. Here you can see a small system, for example, 50 kilo inverter from Daya or from Solis with 80 kilowatt peak PV modules connected with the Stack 100, and you will take from the inverter to the load, also connect with generator and the grid. Here you can see also a small info about the system that we already showed, like system design, 80 kilowatt peak plus 50 kilo inverter plus let's say 61 kilowatt hour stack module. And max charge power 55 kilowatt, backup switch 10 millisecond, unbalanced output, and surge protection DC and AC type 2. You can use this system in larger scale, as we mentioned already, like schools, hospital, CNI project, etc. The compatibility list with the Stack 100, here you can see from they are compatible from small capacity 5 to up the new product from the 80 kilo high voltage inverter. Also Solis from small capacity up to the highest capacity 50 kilowatt high voltage inverter. Also, there is many different brand like Kotui, Ates. Here you can see all the brand and all the SKU from each product, each brand, and what capacity that Stack 100 is compatible with this inverter capacity. This is the end. Thank you for listening to our introduction for Stack 100. If you have any question, you can send to sales@nasdaq.ae. Also, if you have any requirement, you can also send to sales@nasdaq.ae. I will be happy to help you and answer all your questions. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.